Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. So I hope everyone is in a very good condition. So today we are going to discuss about new chapter 6 in the KSSM Biology Form 4 entitled Cell Division. So today we are going to discuss 6.1, which is about the cell division. Here is the necessity for the cell divisions, means the importance for the cell division. Kenapa perlunya adanya pembahagian sel? The first one is our body cells are keep dividing, growing and dying. So that cell division will replace the dead cell one. So as example, the cell divisions occur during the injury, for our hair growth, fingernail growth, and also for growth in our cells. Yeah, including the red blood cell, white blood cells, the epithelial cells, and everything. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the types of or the stages in the cell division. The first one is we have to understand what is cell division. So cell division is about to produce new cell from one cell. Maksudnya daripada satu sel nak hasilkan new cell yang baru, so kita gunakan kita kena faham itulah maksud cell division. So there are two types of cell division, not two types, the two stages of the cell division. The first one is karyokinesis and the second one is cytokinesis. Karyokinesis is about the nuclear division, which is the division inside the nucleus. Meanwhile, for cytokinesis is the cytoplasmic division, which is the division in the cytoplasm. Yeah. For tips here is how to remember this is R refer to the alphabet R here, which is also consists in here in the nuclear, right? So karyokinesis is same with the nuclear division. Meanwhile, the cytokinesis, the alphabet C here, same go with here with cytoplasmic division. So there are one tips how to memorize the stages in the cell division. Alright, so next one is about the human cell. There are two types of cells in our body. The first one is gamete, or also known as the reproductive cells, which is consists of sperm and ovum. Second one is somatic cells. What you must understand about somatic cells is semua sel di dalam badan kita kecuali sperm dan ovum adalah somatic cells, including the red blood cell, white blood cell, nerve cells, epithelial cells, everything, yeah, except sperm and ovum. That's it, very simple one. Now let me proceed to the more specific about somatic cells and gamete. Once you get about the first thing, the first one I have talked before, I explained before, so you got no problem here, which is gamete, which is consists of sperm and ovum, is produced through meiosis. So this is new term for you, which is contain haploid number. What does it mean by haploid? Haploid mean half, which is contain one set of chromosome. Maksudnya kalau untuk manusia ni, dia punya kromosom dia ada 46. Kalau untuk jagung 20. So every organism in the living, every living things in our ecosystem on our earth ini, dia ada dia punya kromosom dia. So untuk manusia, dia punya kromosom adalah 46. Means in the gamete, the number of chromosome is 23 only. Means in sperm, it only contain 23. In ovum, only 23. Yeah, that is in reproductive cells. Meanwhile, in the somatic cells, mean all the body cells except the gamete will be produced through the meiosis. And the number of the chromosome here is diploid, mean have contain two sets of chromosome. So in the human somatic cells, kita ada 46, we got 46. Okay, next. Let me explain to you why the gamete must contain 23 only. Because if the fertilization occur, which is 23 is carried by sperm, another 23 chromosome carried by ovum. So when the fertilization occur, so the gamete will become 46, means the human will form. What will happen if the meiosis does not occur? Means sperm carry 46, ovum carry 46. When the fertilization occur, it become what? How many? 92. So, jadi manusia tak? mesti tak jadi kan. So that's why we need meiosis process to produce the reproductive cells. Okay, ini gambar aja untuk tunjukkan kamu apa maksud diploid dengan haploid. Half, diploid dua, mesti dia ganda dua. Okay, iaitu diploid means 2 copies of each chromosome. Iaitu tengok dekat sini, cikgu tunjuk pada yang N ni kan, N. Okay, so satu datang daripada paternal chromosome, iaitu daripada ayah, dan lagi satu daripada maternal chromosome. So kedua-dua kromosom ini, pasangan ini dia dipanggil sebagai homologous chromosome, which is the size, they carry genetic information yang sama jenis, itu yang dipanggil sebagai homologous chromosome, and dia number kromosom dia adalah 2n. Okay, same goes to here. This is also homologous chromosome, and here also the homologous chromosome. Meanwhile, for the haploid only contain 1 copy of each chromosome. You can see here only single chromosome over here. And that means this is the non-homologous chromosome. So this is what we can say the differences between diploid and haploid. Here are the definition for chromatid and chromosome. So what is the differences between all these three? Actually, all these three is a structure that are composed of the same component, which is DNA and protein. Iaitu di dalam nucleus ada DNA dan protein. Dan DNA dan protein ni boleh wujud dalam keadaan berbeza-beza. Iaitu yang pertamanya adalah chromatin, which is a lower order of DNA organization at the beginning of the cell cycle. Pada permulaan cell cycle, as you can see here, you can see the structure of chromosome is just like this. Yeah, which is kalau kita tahu common structure dia macam dekat bawah ni kan. But then at the beginning of the cell cycle, in the interface, the structure of the chromosome is like this, and it is called chromatin. Yeah, and then after that, it will be condensed and form a sister chromatid. And here it is joined together. Here at the center here is the called centromere. Functions of centromere is to pull apart during the cell division. So the purple one is one chromatid, and the blue one is so chromatid. So bila kita campur dua ni nanti, kita panggil dia sebagai sister chromatid. And chromosome is when at higher order of DNA organization, which is when it comes to the prophase. Here you can see at the background is prophase, metaphase, which is the stages in the phases in the Meiosis. So here we call the DNA and protein structure in the nucleus as the chromosome. Maksud dia adalah kromosom ini dia wujud dalam keadaan 3 bentuk pada fasa yang berbeza. Kandungannya tetap sama. Itu yang kita boleh simpulkan. Same goes to here. What I just want to tell you, you can see at the bottom part, which is the character of a man in different ages. All of this structure of the figure is human. But then, dalam keadaan umur dia berapa tahun, dia dipanggil sebagai kanak, bayi, remaja, dewasa. Kan? Tapi semua adalah manusia. Samalah macam dengan kromosom. Semua ini adalah kromosom, contain DNA dan juga protein dalam nukleus, tetapi wujud dalam keadaan yang berbeza. Chromatin at the early stage of the cell division, and then apabila dia replicate, dia copy ya, DNA ini dia di-copy, dia akan bentuk dalam bentuk chromatid, and then bila dia condense, form, dan structure dia lengkap, dia dipanggil sebagai chromosome. Okay, then so that's all for 6.1, which is the cell division. So thank you for watching. I hope you can understand and you can do some revision then. So get ready for the second subtopic, which is cell cycle and meiosis. Thank you guys.